So why is cryptocurrency a very popular idea? Because it represents a shift of monetary system from what we now know. The traditional financial system we now know is controlled by centralized entities, for example, banks. Okay, if you want to buy stocks, for example, you have to go to a central clearing house and all that. But with cryptocurrency, things are very much decentralized because there is no single entity that controls the underlying network. So for example, if you take, for example, Bitcoin, the computers, or what we call nodes, that are responsible for keeping the copies of this ledger and then computing all the transactions, they are not controlled by any single person. Okay, there are many thousands or even millions of different companies, individuals, or miners. Okay, they set up these computers, they join the network, and then in order to get some profit from the transaction fees and so on, and also from the mining rewards. So that is just for Bitcoin. For other types of coins, it also works similarly, whereby you join the network, you put up your computing power as part of the pool of computers that help to maintain the security of the network. So there is no single centralized entity that controls this. Okay, meaning to say anyone, and like literally anyone can buy, can sell, can open how many wallets or accounts that you want, and nobody can stop you, and nobody can seize your currency in your wallet unless unless a thief manage to get control of your wallet. That's a different story. So in a future, this might represent a very significant shift to individual sovereignty, because there might be a future that whereby banks are no longer dominant, whereby you don't keep your money in the bank accounts anymore, whereby you are wholly 100% responsible for your own wealth. Let's say if you have a lot, a substantial amount of holding in cryptocurrencies, I would say maybe more than $10,000 is actually quite a lot for most people. You need to start thinking about moving some of it into cold wallet. So what I mean by cold wallet is, basically anything that is not connected to the internet 24/7. So one of it is an electronic device called ledger. Okay, so ledger is a type of cold wallet. Basically, it's a physical electronic device that looks like a USB drive that is very advanced and complicated. So basically, you can make your wallet directly on the ledger device. You can shift your crypto on the ledger device, and only when you want to do transaction, then you connect it to the internet. Otherwise, it's not connected to the internet. So this is an extra step. Think of it like like whenever you want to make some transaction on your online banking, then you get SMS, right? So that is like an extra step for to prevent hackers from stealing your money easily. Never ever reveal your wallet's seed phrase. If anyone asks you, hey, I'm from so and so support, hey, I'm from Luno support, we are detecting some fishy thing, someone trying to access, can you give us your wallet seed phrase? This is like telling people your banking ATM, or telling people your banking TAC code. Okay, crypto is safe unless people get your seed phrase, because that is like your wallet's PIN code. So never ever reveal your wallet seed phrase to anyone. But you must keep your seed phrase safe. Don't copy paste and store inside Notepad, because hackers can still steal your copy pasted information. The best is to write it down, keep it somewhere locked up, keep it in a file folder somewhere. Make sure you have insurance. But if you lose your seed phrase, then no one can get back your wallet. So